Hello, this is Mr. Reyes here to show you that math is a skill that you can learn. So, we are looking at changing words into mathematical expressions. So, what that means is we're taking these words, we see addition. For that operation, you're going to see the words add, increase, combine, sum, and that's only a few of the words that you might see. There are others, but these are the most common. The same is true if you see the word product in a sentence, that usually means something's getting multiplied. And if you see the word quotient in a sentence, something is probably getting divided. So, knowing that, you have this picture, use that in the following assignment, and I'm going to do a couple of examples. Let's zoom out. If x represents a number, write an expression for the following: a number added to 5. So, with x always represents a number. It's a variable. X could be 8. It could be 2,700. We don't know. So we're just going to say x. And then we are adding that to 5. So we'll make it 5 plus x. Simple as that. And then if x represents a number, write an expression for the following: the product of 3 and a number. Now maybe you don't recognize that term, or you're not sure what operation it is. You go and you look at the sheet, okay, or the picture, and try to find the word product. Okay, it's right here in purple, so it's got to be associated with multiplication. The product of 3 and a number, so 3 times x is our number. And if we're thinking 3 times x, we can actually just write it like this. 3x means 3 times x. It's an abbreviation. If x represents same premise, the quotient of a number and 8. So if you look at the sheet, you will see quotient is involved in division. So we have a number divided by 8. You could also write it like this. And it's x divided by 8. And something you might notice about the division sign, if you really look at it closely, you might realize that it's actually supposed to be a fraction, except you imagine each of these dots is a number. So there's a number on top and a number on bottom and a fraction line. So like this, there's a number here and there's a number here. That's because fractions are just division, really. And another way to write it would be x over 8. Again, these are just other ways to say x divided by 8. And now it's your turn.